This is a 2022 Dodge Charger. It's the Daytona Edition with a 392 motor in it. We're gonna remove the mid mufflers, leave the rear mufflers on the back, or resonators as people want to call them, but basically the car has 4 mufflers, so save confusion. We're just gonna call them mid mufflers. We're gonna take those out and put some Dynamax Race Bullets in there. Do a little before shot, see what it sounds like before and after. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so we're back and we have installed the Dynamax Race Bullets where the mid mufflers were. It's all stock up front. Customer just wants to give it a little more rumble. Let's see what the difference is here. Let's see what it sounds like.